So hi guys, if you're like me and have an old car, most likely as you can see that your headlights are fogged up already or full of dirt. Wala na makita, no? So I bought this product that I'm using right now at Lazada for roughly 216 pesos including the discounts. So less than 300. It's called the Rain X Headlight Cleaner. So all you need to do is put some on a cloth and just rub it out. As you can see, that you can clearly see from what I'm doing right now. I'm just using an old cloth I found in the house and then putting small amounts of the Rain X Headlight Cleaner on the cloth and just rubbing it on the glass or in the plastic or the headlight, and you can see the fog, the dirt, the smudge, whatever you call that, are slowly being removed from the headlights, right? So hopefully this will help make my lights brighter at night. We'll find out tonight once I use the car tonight to see how brighter the lights are. I was supposed to buy new headlamps already for the car since the lights were a little bit weak at night, and then I have tint pa, so it's a big problem for me. See, that's the starting for the second light on the right side headlights, and I'm rubbing it now using the product. It's about less than 300 pesos on Lazada, but as of now it's out of stock already. I just checked, so I was hoping to get the exact price. I paid 216 pesos and 17 cents, but I had some vouchers for that one so that I had a discount. So I'm not sure how much it actually is. I think it's less than 300 pesos. I just tried it out right there, as you can see. This is not a sponsored post, okay? So if you have an old car and want the headlights to be a little bit brighter as before, yeah, you can try this out. If you have one of those buffing machines, you might want to try it. I don't have one, so that okay, but we did this just manual. So good luck guys, thanks for watching, and you can just go to Lazada. I think it's under Herco Trading, HERCO Trading, and as you can see, it only took me less than 10 minutes to get the headlights semi-clean again, just manual buffing with my hands and some old cloth. Thanks guys, bye, don't forget to subscribe.